Let me walk you through the ingredients of Khandvi. So to make Khandvi rolls, we need 1 cup of chickpea flour. I have strained this flour. Then we need half cup of curd, a pinch of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of ginger and green chili paste. This has more than 1 tablespoon, but we can take 1 tablespoon from here. 1 teaspoon of sugar and salt to taste. So we'll mix this. We'll make this batter now. So to make this batter, what we need to do is we need to first make a buttermilk. So with this curd, I add 3 cups of water because the batter will be, I told you, the chickpea and the water consistency should be 1:3. So let's add 3 cups of water here. And then we transfer this flour and we mix. You can use a whisk also. I don't have right now, so I am using this fork. You can run this batter once in a mixer grinder so it mixes very uniformly. I have greased one plate for pouring the cooked batter, so that you have to keep ready.